Independence Day. Whole day we will celebrate this day. In this program, we have got our very own Dr. Anup Malik, our ex-student of our Vidyapit, 1971 batch. He is also very famous doctor, gynecologist. We have got him as the chief guest of today's program. I cordially welcome Dr. Anup Malik, or our beloved Anup Da. I offer my respect, namaskar, regards to him. Also, I cordially welcome Mrs. Malik. I cordially welcome her and show my respect, namaskar to her. My respect, namaskar to all the teachers, guests, guardians present here. My love and best wishes to all the students of Vidyapit. My respect, namaskar to all the teachers, staff members, our monastic brothers of Vidyapit. Today we will celebrate this day as we got our independence in the year 1947 on this day, 15th August. So many freedom fighters, soldiers, they sacrificed their lives, and as a result we got the freedom. Nobody has given us this freedom. We conquered it. Today we will respect to our heroes, our freedom fighters, our martyrs who sacrificed their lives for this, to get India free. Now we will felicitate our chief guest.
Our revered Maharaj is now felicitating our chief guest, Dr. Anup Kumar Malik, obstetrics and gynecologist, Kharagpur, West Bengal, and an alumnus of Vidyapit, 1971 batch.
Now I request our chief guest to hoist the national flag.
Red Southern! Red!
One
स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड समारोह पर विद्यापीठ की 4 टोलियां बैंड सहित 240 गोल आपके निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
Our commander has requested our respected chief guest for the parade inspection.
one, two. Drummers, one, two.
West Bengal, and an alumnus of Vidyapit 1971 batch. Dr. Malik joined Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit Deoghar in 1966 as a merit scholar, Government of India. He was inspired to do so by who was a student of our institution. Dr. Malik passed his higher secondary examination from Vidyapit in 1971. He completed his MBBS from Neel Ratan Sarkar Medical College, Kolkata, completed his diploma in gynecology and obstetrics from Calcutta University in 1982, and passed his MS in the same field from Patna University in 1985. We are honored to have with us, along with Dr. Malik, Mrs. Malik, his wife. We still fondly remember that he was on the dais in the inaugural session of the centenary celebrations of Vidyapit in September 2022 as a representative of the alumni brothers, and we still cherish the heart-touching speech that he delivered on that occasion. An all-rounder in true sense of the term, Dr. Malik is also known for his musical and vocal expertise apart from his mastery in his profession. Dr. Malik's both sons are also ex-alumni of Vidyapit. His eldest son, Oyonakho, passed in 2007, while his youngest son, Orkodipto, passed in 2012. Dr. Anup Kumar Malik's association with Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit Deoghar spans for about 50 years. Not just as a passive witness, Dr. Malik has come in front in any need of Vidyapit and has been one of the most endeared and highly regarded family member of this glorious institution. Now, we would want to hand over the moment to Dr. Anup Kumar Malik for his Independence Day speech.
Thank you. Thank you for the sweet words. Respected Secretary Maharaj, respected Principal Maharaj, other monks, senior monks, brahmacharis, teachers, whom we traditionally call dadas, and they are today my dadas also. My younger brothers, I call them little pals of Vidyapit. The guardians present here. Now actually, to tell you very frankly, I feel extremely honored to be here, allowing me to unfurl the tricolor. It's a great honor for any students. And it makes me nostalgic standing here. When I feel I was standing on your side, say 50 years ago, more than 50 years, around 60 years now, and listening to the dignitaries speaking, please don't consider me as a dignitary. I am your elder brother, and still very much a Vidyapit one. And what was told by the introduction speech, I am a humble server of Vidyapit. I still consider myself a humble server of Vidyapit. So actually, when I completed my course from here, I went my professions. For say 10-15 years, I was away from my school. Again started coming from Platinum Jubilee onwards, and I'm still coming today. And I enjoy the moments of my stay in Vidyapit. Now actually today is a special occasion, 78th Independence Day celebration is a big job for any country. It's a matter of feeling actually, how you feel. If you go back to the independence struggle, it goes way back before 1947, it's 100 years. So it's almost 200 years the people of India are struggling. First, to get the independence. Second, to establish themselves. Now, actually, it is very difficult for one who are standing in my front. The sacrifice of the independence movement soldiers, the freedom strugglers, and martyrs, actually. And now it is our duty to remember them from the core of our heart. They have sacrificed their maximum only to see us here. So getting independence is not a fun. It is a responsibility. And responsibility is from within. You have to feel that way, that we are the soldiers of India. May not be we are fighting with the guns, but we are the guys fighting with our skills, knowledge, only to serve the country. And if you really do so, you'll see your society is served, your brothers of this country are served, and you yourself is satisfied. That is what is most important. So actually, I am, to tell you very frankly, I am not a very good orator, but I have a lot of ideas, lot of thinking in my mind, which I can share with you in off time. So my request is, be a good Indian. Be first of all a good man, for which there cannot be a better place than this one. You all students are highly intelligent students, at least more than what we were. And now you have been assembled here. You do know why? It is the endless blessing of Thakur Ma and Swamiji that you are here. They have brought all of you here only to do some special job. Job is, you have to become a good man, good soldier. I mean, soldier means soldier does not fight always. Soldier serves. So you are a good server, and as well as you serve your society. Now, this is a question which also rose in my mind. Why I am here? I was about 400 kilometers from here while I was student of class 3, 4, 5. How I came here? So again I thought the answer is that it is the blessing of the tribe that I am here. So that tribe blessing is always with you. My humble request to you all that you should become a good Indian, you should serve your country, and you should serve your society to lift the standard of the people. Thank you so much. Thank you again. Thank you Vidyapeeth administration for allowing me to stand here and address you. Maybe I'm short of words. And I'm not going to lengthen my lecture, my deliberation. So that actually, I go back to my days when I was listening from the other side and really not getting into the subject what they are telling, because it is the age. Your age, whatever you gather from here, will be say a foundation stone for the rest of your life. Thank you again. Thank you, Thakur Ma. Pranam Thakur Ma Swamiji.
स्वाधीन भारत के जय, स्वाधीन भारत के जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, रेड हिलो मत। श्रीमान, स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड समारोह समाप्त हुआ। आगे का आदेश।
all come out this year stronger and wiser than before, and may all our